Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and
Today I'm making infinity cross earrings inspired by the pendants that I made on Tip Tuesday. I'm using 22 gauge artistic wire and some flat back sew-on rhinestones. My tools are the Glimmer Series Nipper tool from Beadalon, their Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers. I created a jig by putting 4 finishing nails in a block of wood. I'm going to curve the wire with my thumb and then just bring it around, curve it up, holding it in place and curving the wire with my finger and around. So we have our first step with the wires going to the front. After that, we have to remove it and flip it so the wires will be going the right direction. Put it back on the jig, holding it down and curving the wire up, curving the other one down. So we have our cross shape created with the wires going the correct way. We are going to remove it from the jig. Do any little adjusting that you need so that the cross is even. Might take a little bit of wiggling, and we want the wires to be going opposite directions, and we need to clip them about a 1/4 inch beyond the cross. From there, this part's a little tricky. We're going to get our rhinestone and slide it on one of the wires. The other wire has to go through the opposite direction. We're going to wiggle it through there, taking your time with it, making sure your wires aren't too long. You don't want it to distort the shape of the cross. We have one wire going one way and one wire going the other, and each wire goes through 2 of the holes. You can do our little adjusting, hold the end of the wire with the pliers. If it's easier, we want to wiggle it into the center. Back and forth. Once we're happy with it being in the center, we have to finish off those little ends. So grab the end with the chain nose pliers and bend it to the back. You can clip it with your flush cutters or nipper tool and pinch it in so the end is flush with the back of the rhinestone. We have to do the other side, so grab the end with the chain nose pliers and just bend it straight to the back, around the wire and back. You can see they're just discreet on the back. If you have to fix up the sides, get your round nose pliers and slide them in to open them up a bit and add your earring hooks. I'll link up a tutorial for the hooks. Here are the pendants. What I did for the pendants is I finished it in a loop and then I glued on the rhinestones. These rhinestones don't have holes. This is another option if you want to do it slightly differently. I also have these little birthstone rhinestones. You can get some glue. Better to use some jewelry epoxy. I just use crazy glue for a quick fix. You can slide in that rhinestone. I'll link up this tutorial in the description below for the pendants, where you'll have options to glue on the little rhinestones, or you can attach a bead with a wire. And there's the pendants, and here are the beautiful earrings.
thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. Also, you can find my new kits and surprise packs in my Etsy DIY shop. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.